You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you, including biblical vocabulary. Two slightly different pronunciations, so even a little more. Let's discuss Aseity, A-C-A-T, Aseity. Now the Americans will pronounce it with a flat T often, as in Aseity. Now sometimes the first syllable rather than an A sound is going to be an A sound. Aseity or Aseity. So those are the different pronunciations, different ways of pronouncing this word, how to pronounce Aseity. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.